Hello there and welcome again to Algebra Play Lesson 11, Legal Moves for X's and Cubes. Because this is still a continuation of the previous lessons, we still have the same objectives, the same materials, but the worksheet this time is from pages 32 to 36. All right, we still do the same thing, except that you will be solving pages 31 to 36. All right, for your activity 11A hands-on time, you will do the same self video, but this time it's page 34, items 8 to 10 using your HOA kit. For your activity 11B, you will be answering pages 31 to 36 and take picture of each answered pages. Yet, you know the drill. You will make a mental calculation of the equations on pages 35 and 36. Again, do not use your hands on algebra kit on this one and not even your pencil and your paper. Just calculate mentally and submit to Dojo your answered pages. All right, so let's do a recap on all the legal moves that we have taken, the lessons that we have taken. First, we did a lesson on the legal moves for x's, of which the end result is having one x on one side and one cube on the other side. The second lesson for our legal move for x's is that the end result gave us more than one x on one side and a cube on the other side. Now, again, this is the stage wherein we use division to get the value of our x. Then we move on to the next level, which is legal moves for cubes, which means what we manipulate for subtracting are those cubes on both sides of the equation. Now, again, to get the value of the x, we use division for this. This time, we will study how to do legal moves for both the x's and the dices. So we have here an equation. 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 10. Let us set it up. 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now that we've set up our equation, let's proceed on doing the legal moves to find what is the value of the x and what is the value of the equation. So there are two approaches for this. Either you do it first for the x's, the legal moves for the x's, or you do the legal moves for the dices. Either way, we will still end up with the same answer. For this purpose, let's do it with, we do the x's first and then we do the dices next. So step 1 for legal moves is to subtract all possible x's from both sides. So let's start with this one. Can we still do it? Can we still, like subtract? Yes, because napa maghihapon ta din niya. Ang atong purpose baya kay itapok tanan ng x on one side and itapok ang tanang dices on the other side. So to continue, I'm gonna go get this one. Pwede pa ba ta makakuha? Wala na. So our legal moves for x's is now correct. This time, let's work on our dices. Again, ang atong purpose is dapat mawala gid ang dice sa isa ka side kaya magtapok ra sila spikas niya. Take note, dili pwede mag-uban sa isa ka side ang imong x ug ang imong dice. Okay? So because na ani duha kinahanglan mawala ang dice dani aron mabilin ra gid sa pikas ang dice. Now, what are we going to do with this one? We need to subtract. Therefore, 10 minus 3, minus baya, so ato ning kwaon, is equal to 7. Therefore, dili na ni sa 7 kay gi-minus man nato ang 3, ilisa nato siya og 7. Now, all is in its place. Tanang x in one side, tanang cube in one side. Now, how do we get the value of the x? We divide. So, 7 divided by pilang nabilin, 1, is equal to 7. Therefore, the value of our x is 7. Karon atong tan-aon, Sakto ba nga 7 ang value sa atong x? Atong ibalik ang atong equation. And ang atong equation is 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 10. So ato nang ibalik aron masusi nato kung sakto ba gyud nga 7 ba gyud ang atong value sa x. So this is 2 and this is like 10. So let's read. 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now, kung 7 is siya, let's replace or substitute. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24. So this side, ang iyang value is 24. Now let's check on the other side. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 10 is 24. Therefore, the value of our equation is now balanced, 24, 24. So we can say that the value of x is 7 and the value of the equation is 24. Now, I want you to work on your drills for this legal moves for x's and dices on your worksheet. Okay, for the recap, still the same. For legal moves, whether it's one dice or one cube or many dice or many cubes or many x's, one x, you still use the same rule. What you do on one side, you do the same on the other side. So if you take away one or many in one side, you will still do the same on the other side. All right, that's it for now, and I'll see you next meeting.